Hi guys and welcome back. I'll show you guys how you can actually design a greeting card that you can sell on Printify. So we'll be using Canva, a designing platform, to design this, element such as this Chinese New Year element with children celebrating, and there are also, dragons, lanterns, some, some decorations, fireworks, etc. Let's export this. Click on share, download, PNG, click on download. After you've downloaded it, go to Printify, click on create product, and then wait until everything's been loaded. So okay, click on catalog, and then you can look for a greeting card. So hold on, wait a minute. So type in greeting card just like this. And then choose the one that's foldable, for example, this. And then you simply just click on Start Designing to design the greeting card. So upload the image, go to Upload, My Device. Then go to Downloads, click on this one to start inserting that Chinese New Year element into the greeting card. And then when you're done, you can simply, resize it so that it fits with with both of the sides of the greeting card. And then, well, you can actually insert more here, but like for this one, I'm going to actually insert a text that will actually act as the brand of the greeting card, for example. So I'll just type tongue tips, click on add text, and then choose a font, for example this. Then I'm going to type tongue tips just like this. Then you can resize it by clicking on this one just like so, and then let's put it on the bottom center of the left side of the greeting card. And then for the front cover, I'll like to type Happy Chinese New Year or Happy Lunar New Year. Add text, and then for this I'm going to choose a font that's more of this handwriting kind of font. For example, Homemade Apple. And then I'll just type Happy Lunar New Year. And then I just, decrease the size, just like this. Or I can actually make it just like this, so that there's only one row of text, and then I place it here. There you go. Fancy. Adjust the position of the brand at the back of the greeting card. And then for the inside, I'd like to insert some, wish or anything. But like I'll just look for the same picture on the library, and then you simply drag it, select it. Then you can actually resize it so that it fills the entire part of the inside of the greeting card. For example, you can actually put anything, for example, wishes or anything, and then like wishes and some more elements in it. And then when you're done with everything, click on preview. This will actually show how it will look when it's printed as part of the mockup. So we have the several mockup views just like this. Ooh, fancy. This is the front cover, the back cover, and then what's inside of the greeting card that we created. And that's how you can design a greeting card to sell using Canva and Printify. So thank you guys for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.